Did you know there's been major changes to the federal resume system? Well, I'm about to tell you. Did you know that your federal resume, the same one you've been told for years, even right here on this channel, that should be detailed and full of accomplishments, is about to be capped? Capped to 2 pages. That's right, 2 pages. No matter what grade level you're applying for, no matter how much experience you have, no matter whether you upload it or build your resume directly inside of USAJOBS with the Resume Builder. And today, I'm going to explain exactly what that means for you, for HR managers, and for the entire federal hiring system. Because I don't work for them no more, and I'm going to say what I want and say it like it is. I sure am. Hello, everybody. I'm Lisa, and this is Smart Moves with Lisa, formerly Easy Federal Resumes and More. This is the more. For a decade, I have trained applicants on how to maximize the USAJOBS Resume Builder. And for years, that builder was the secret weapon. It was. It allowed applicants to expand their descriptions, showcase their accomplishments, and write detailed narratives that often reach 5, 7, 10 pages long. Mine was 12. But now, with the new OPM merit hiring reforms going into effect, which went into effect September 25, everything changed, and you need to be smart and change too. OPM issued a formal guidance stating resumes must be no longer than 2 pages in length, whether uploaded or built in Resume Builder. This applies to uploaded PDF resumes, those that are built inside of USAJOBS, resumes marked searchable, resume attached to any job application. That's right, any job application. This rule applies government-wide. Doesn't matter, Navy, Army, doesn't matter. This change became effective September 27th, 2025. And although agencies must close their job announcements by September 26th, and new announcements open under the new rule. So it doesn't matter that it was supposed to be before. When it posts now, this is what's going to change. In short, if you submit a resume after September 26, 2025, you must meet the 2-page limit. Here's where it gets confusing and messy, because for decades, the federal resume philosophy was based on long resumes, long descriptions, detailed work histories, knowledge, skills, and abilities, KSAs, qualified achievement, keywords, heavy long narratives, 4 to 10-page storytelling. Every federal coach taught you the same thing, including me. Do not upload your resume. You've seen the video. Do not upload your resume. That was your advantage. Why? Because in Resume Builder, you had, when I first started years ago, 5,000 characters. Then it switched to 3,000 characters per job block, which allowed unlimited experience entries and narrative of achievements, extensive details. Your resume in USAJOBS often printed 6 to 10 pages. I showed you mine, it was 12. Under the new system, no more, nada, done, not anymore. The Resume Builder becomes restricted. Your final output, no matter how much you poured into, even if you typed into the Resume Builder, must not exceed 2 pages. That's all for this video. And that's enough. Remember, USAJOBS doesn't reward guessing. It rewards participation. Your skills matter, your experience matters, and your future is still wide open. This is the biggest change to the federal hiring in over 20 years, and you need to understand the implications now. I'm going to create a folder right here on my channel, an OPM 2-page rule 2025, something like that. It'll be noticeable, which you will be able to readily see videos regarding this change, because I'm going to fill it up. Within that folder, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to rewrite your resume into a federal compliant 2-page format. I'm going to let you know what stays and what's get cut out. What HR will now focus on, how to maintain competitiveness when everyone's forced into 2 pages, and some new strategies. I'm going to give you a hack. Let's just put it like that, because I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. And I'm going to provide you with worksheets created within the video so that you'll be able to download them for free. No, nothing attached, no club, no nothing. Make sure your next move is a smart one. Please like this video, share it, and subscribe because I got more coming soon because it's smart. That's what we are, isn't it? We're smart.